Hi guys, I'm sharing my experience with another unique gadget, the Matrix Powerwatch. As you can see, this is Power X. They have other lower models as well, Power Black and Power, just Power. Yeah. So the word Matrix must have flashed back to you the movie and Kevin Reeve. So yeah, so this watch is quite unique, just like the movie, and that could be the very reason why the inventor used the name Matrix to the company who's manufacturing this gadget. Anyhow, the watch itself is quite brilliant. You don't need to put it on charge as it requires as it converts actually your body heat into electricity. Isn't that brilliant? Yes, it is. For those who are really for those who really hate putting their smartwatches onto a charge, you just need to keep it attached with you, and it converts the electricity. It converts your body heat into electricity. Very unique. However, it's pretty basic and simple. They the It's not loaded with millions of features, less like any of the peer watches, smartwatches, which comes with touch screens or flashy, colorful screens, GPS, and things like that. It does not have any such thing. But you can get your notifications, and it helps you continue with your physical effort. So the counts and calories burn can be monitored through this watch. It is made with very quality stuff and very lightweight, though it is a bit bulky. As you can see, it is quite bulky, man. But yeah, if you wear it, it doesn't really carry a lot of weight on your wrist. Um, uh, Lastly, I would like to shed some words on its app. Its app isn't really as good as the other apps. I've been using smartwatches for quite a while now, and I see pretty brilliant apps which helps you do tons of stuff. But Matrix app isn't really good, so vendors need to work a lot in terms of making it up to the user satisfaction. I'm not really satisfied with this app because it lags auto update from the watch. You have to literally pull down the menu to get the counts, and it also requires internet to operate. So yeah, I mean, it's not really a good app, but anyhow, it is a software which can be altered and quite easily. And this review is one of the is something that can trigger such alteration or amendment to the software to the vendor. Hope they will listen to it. And one thing, I tried to use the alarm functionality, which didn't work either. So it's quite buggy. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. The watch Power X is the topmost, is the top of the model, and it's a bit pricey. But remember, you don't need to pay extra to keep it running, as it uses your body heat. So to recharge yourself, so it's a good choice, all in all. And yeah, the value that you pay isn't really much if you compare it in terms of having it recharged every other time, where you will be adding a lot to your electricity bill. So that's pretty much it for now, and hope that you like this video, and share it with others and let people know. Thank you so much. Have a good time.